You can avoid this by supporting the workpiece in such a way that the piece being cut off falls away from the wheel, as in the case here. When the cut is complete, let the wheel stop in its own time. Then put the machine down carefully, ensuring that the wheel is clear of the ground. Putting a machine down on the ground or onto a workbench with the wheel still rotating is an extremely hazardous thing to do. All abrasive wheels will wear down during use, and as the diameter of the wheel gets smaller, the speed at the cutting edge of the wheel will drop. Try not to compensate for this by applying greater pressure during cutting. This is the time to fit a new wheel to the machine. Always disconnect or isolate the machine from its power source as soon as you're finished working with it. The longer it remains powered on, the longer it's a potential danger to you and those around you. Finally, when finished using the machine, be sure to check the condition of the abrasive wheel and check and clean the machine before storing it away safely. If you're using a portable abrasive wheel machine for grinding rather than cutting off, then there's an additional thing to be aware of. When using the side of an abrasive wheel for grinding, or more accurately angle grinding, then be aware that the edge of the wheel will become wedge-shaped as the wheel wears down. Over time the wheel edge will become so thin that it breaks off. This is normal, but to minimize wear on the wheel, always try to grind with the wheel held at an angle of about 30 degrees to the workpiece. Pedestal or bench-mounted grinding machines have the same basic requirements for mounting, handling and using abrasive wheels as other machines, but with one important additional safety feature: the work rest. The work rest serves to allow the workpiece to be positioned against the edge of the rotating abrasive wheel for more accurate and safer grinding. In particular, the work rest prevents the workpiece from being drawn into the machine and becoming caught between the wheel and the guard. The work rest should be adjusted so that it's as close as possible to the wheel without actually being in contact with it. As the wheel wears down, the work rest should be adjusted periodically to maintain this minimum clearance from the wheel. Likewise, these grinding machines are provided with adjustable transparent guards or visors that can be readily adjusted to accommodate both wheel wear and workpieces of varying sizes. Never operate one of these machines with a guard or visor removed. Besides being able to easily cut concrete and grind metals, all abrasive wheels are fragile and can very easily be damaged by being trod on, rolled or dropped. Dropping an abrasive wheel machine can seriously damage the wheel itself and can also bend the machine spindle. If you do drop an abrasive wheel machine, be sure to check it thoroughly before reuse and always fit a new wheel to the machine, even if the old wheel appears to be undamaged.